Welcome to the episode, folks. In this one you'll see if the SS LS3, if it's a bargain or did I really get stitched up. Just a few more dollars. I'm going onto VicRoads and I'm going to pay for a vehicle report. So what they do give you is a written off and stolen history, electronic roadworthy history. There was suspected K-frame damage. I can't see any, it's just fob. There is one left-hand lower control arm is bent like a banana, mate, and it's like cast steel. Yeah, okay, so I'll pay for it. It's $30 and we'll see what we can get, see what the history's like. And I was just questioning myself whether I can register it, but didn't have that much damage anyway. Let's have a look. Just coming into the payment thing and I've got to put my name and card number and $30, man. Right, success, order date. Don't know how we get it. Maybe it went to my email address. The report's just come through, it doesn't take long at all. They send it to your email address and it's a PDF. This one's 14 pages long. VicRoads vehicle report. All right, this is a $30 report. That there, just not so much there. They've got some links to go to some other places like Redbook. Here, HoldenCommodore 2015. Registration is cancelled, right? All roadworthies passed, no financial interest reported. There's no written off record for this vehicle. There's no odometer discrepancy detected for this vehicle. No stolen record reported. Transfer history, there's an activity recorded for this thing. I haven't read that we have to get a VIV for it. Pretty much good news. Year of manufacture. So compliance date was November 2015. So it's a piston type engine. Roadworthy, the last roadworthy was August 23 at 122,000 kilometres, right? So they give you that history. How does the kilometre reading compare? They don't have a problem. There's no discrepancy in the odometer. Registration expired only 20th of September 2025, so that's all right. Oh yeah, and it gives you all the dates that it was registered. So 3 different owners. So that it looks like the police would have had it first from November 2015 to January 18. So that's they only had it 2 years, and then they moved the cars on. There's no stolen history on this car and declared value on this car. This is very interesting. You want to have a look? Declared value, so August 23 is valued at 36,000, and then February 22 42,000. So definitely finance, roadworthy history. It was the first inspection. 23 roadworthy results. There's no hyperlinks there. It's a full report for $30. Isn't that good? It's passed inspections. Written off, no. Written off, history reported. I don't know why it's in red. The good news is the car's not stolen, it's just malicious vandalism and stripped. And it's just a few scratches, driver's side and that. It's a repairable write-off. I don't know what the VIV stands for really, if this has got to do with the VIV, probably has. Doesn't have anything in here relating to damaged parts. I know it says engine minor mechanical damage. That's just the sump has got some marks on it and it has gone in a little bit, the sump. So it's easy to change if I buy another sump. Probably get a decent sump. Passenger rear, passenger side, driver rear, driver side, driver front, passenger front and interior. So it has had a little bit of damage. It's not stolen, but it's a repairable write-off. So we just go through the boxes. I'd see what the roadworthy guy says when I take it down there. Going down the street, we just spotted this car. And I originally thought it was a Maybach, but it's a V12, but it has a Mercedes-Benz badge on the front. So don't know what model it is. The biggest one does say Maybach on there, but it must have a Mercedes engine. There we go. Anyone let us know? What does it say? Yes, Maybach Mercedes. Oh, geez. So it's an S. It'll be an S600 because it'll be a 6-litre V12. So not a bad looking car. I mean, to buy a car like this, you'd have to just have surplus money because it's luxury car tax, etc. Man. Anyway, it's a standout car, isn't it? Eh? Off to the country, bit of a hike, but got to do it. The bumper bar is a black one, so hence no paint. So that'd be good. So let's see how we go. Big trip. Ballarat, you think that's a fair hike? Well, I need to get out and about, so we'll tie it in together. I think we're on the road to the spare parts, but I'm mistaken. It's a bush track leading up to Glenrowan, where Ned Kelly was born. Such is life, he said, such is life. But today we've got the trucks to guide us to the place. Ned Kelly was our hero. He would have drove an SS Chevy. Oh yeah. Picking up this bar, we drove 3 hours because we didn't pick up the other SSV one, the orange one, because the guy promised us on Saturday, and then he tells us on the Wednesday I sold it to someone else. It was a better bar, but wrong colour. So I can put this straight on the car. I'm not painting it, no way. I'll polish it up. I'll polish these parts, right? And that's it. The car's rough and it's going to stay rough. It's going to be cranky and stage 3, Higgins heads, everything. So I got my dinner table cloth here. And the ute's in the workshop, so I'm going to, look, it's almost in. I don't want to go too far. That's it there, it's only sticking out a bit. Don't need the ute. The ute would have taken too much, double the fuel, but good country ride though. Maybe I can go around there like that. Right, I've just got these arms off. Just got them, it doesn't take long. Any bush mechanic can do this. I'm on me, yeah, look, it's Pakistani safety boots, I mean. Have a look. Doing a good job, aren't I? Thanks. Here's the arms. I don't think this aluminium arm, don't know which one's called a caster arm and that. I'll just research it. It looks all right, but this boot is flogged out and probably the grease is gone. So I decided to buy a new one anyway. See that? Beautiful. Plug and play. Now this is the problem child, this one. I'll show you folks. Looking at me, this one. It's nasty. See? Totally bent. Like a banana. At least we had one arm that give way. You know what I mean? And that's shot too, so it's good that they, I think for a couple $100, $300 for 2 arms. Pretty good, huh? Feel movement on the car, eh? Yeah. Power clean exhaust. Totally better thrust. back boxes, I've got to cut the flange off, and I'm going to cut it off this one here, because as you can see, it's damaged. See, the exhaust is damaged. There's no way I can put that in the roadworthy. I might say it's a bit post, you know, couple of crosses on there. So I'm going to cut those flanges off, and I'll put them on the back boxes, only for the roadworthy, folks. And then after the roadworthy, have a look. It's me baby. It's me baby. Now I spruce it up with hydrochloric acid. Have a look at it. Now this one measures, this is HSV, right? This measures at 2.5 inch. This one here, it measures at about, not sure, I'm guessing 1 3/8 inches. See how it's small? So I can wrap my fingers around there like that. See there? Right here. No way. There, it's even worse. So it's almost 1 inch there. So I've got the big honky-dory muscle, honky-dory muscle. That is after the roadworthy, this one. Blow through. Hot dogs, hot dogs. Thanks for watching the episode, folks. You've seen the value of the car. I think personally they're going up. Continue watching and you'll see the car get on the road, and enjoy the rumble.